Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, go to search bar and simply type in Task Manager. From the search results, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on Run New Task, then select Browse button. Now go to this PC and open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out System32 folder. Simply double click on it to open it. Now find out cmd.exe file. Simply select it and click on open. Now this will be our main path: C drive, Windows folder, System32 folder and cmd.exe file. Check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. Now we need to execute some commands. Type these commands carefully. Type in sfc /scan now and simply hit enter. So this process will take some time. We need to wait for it. Then now go to search bar and find out device manager. So click here, open it. On this window, just expand display adapters. Right click on this adapter, select properties and go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Now check this. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. So the best drivers are installed. Now close this window. Again expand IDE ATA controllers. Now from the controllers, we need to search for the main adapter, then right click on it and select properties. Again go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Do the same process for this one also. Now close all windows. This command also done, so type exit to close the command prompt window. Now go to search bar and type in services. Click here to open it. On this window, you need to find out Windows Update. So right click on it, select properties. From the startup type, set automatic, then click on apply, then click on start and then OK. Now close this window and simply move to the next step. This is the last one. So go to search bar, type in cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now type this command chkdsk. Type in chkdsk space /f space /r and hit enter. Then type y and simply hit enter. Now we will see the changes. For that, simply restart your system, then you will see these changes. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.